So welcome again to this channel. You can subscribe and share as you like, so as you make me to appreciate you too, my friends. I want to tell you more about expert option. Expert option. Expert option. The strategies. I'm going here to use the certain strategies here, so as you can know how to go with it and look about it. Let's change this. We are changing from here, then we are going from AUR USD. So we change this and we confirm. Okay, the strategy we are going to use here, we are going to use this one. What do you call it? So if you want to know it, you come to this one. Say these strategies. It's called. We're going to use an indicator RSI, and let us see how this we set it. We set it in the period 14 level to 70, and level percentage is 20. Level 1, this is going the red, showing the level 70%. This is called the level 80. So we are going to take a look on this. When the our trading line passes over, so we will buy, and when our trading line comes down, we will sell. Do you know? So when this is this way, we have to it always will fall, and when it's here, it is always will fall, will rise. So we have to buy. So for instance, this one, let's take a look and take an example from here. Let's say just falling. So what to do here? It will fall. Let's say. So you have to wait until it burns, and let's say do it like that. So it is just, I want to see, this is the middle. Yeah, we get it 50. Then we get the amount of what, 91. So we have certain profit there, like 41 points. Yeah, so you have to this SRI strategy. So as you can see, this one is just, it's going up, so it means this thing is going to be up and up, so you can buy. Yeah, but as you can see, we do it and we got it. That's the strategy. So you can look and take a look. How do this line going? Is it going upward, or finding it going to there? So as you can see, this one, the consistency is going to be down. So let's say if you come down here, it's going to be down, like down like that. That's the strategy, as you can see it. So you can use this as a strategy, but always be careful, because and when you are trading with your balance, for instance, your capital is just lower than 100, please just try to use only $1 or $2, or try to use the free demo account to make more practice in 3 months or 1 month. Then after you master and you know how this thing goes, so you can start on there your amount. See, that's what I can tell you, because don't put a big amount. You can burn your account, and you cannot love this thing, and you can hate this kind of trading. So what you have to do first you have to learn it. You have to make more practice. Make more practice. You have to know where to enter and where to sell, where to buy. Okay, and always just try to just trade. Let's say you can do this when you are trading real account. You have to do only, let's say you trade only 5 times, then you call it a day. Don't 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 do it just more times, as you can just get a morale of. So you have to just play this thing and trade very careful, very careful, and then you have to look when the market is okay or what. If the market is not okay, leave it. So how can you know that the market is not okay? Let me show you. Let me show you the network. My network today is not good, like okay. Let me see what is it. Okay. So you want to be very careful. Say, let me show you. So if you want to go to know more about this, this has an option there. You can learn more about it. There's an option here. Okay. And these people you can see here, these are the traders. These are the traders. These are the traders who are just trading also. You can see how they trade there, and you can look what you can do. But you have to learn more. Learn. Try to learn about this. Don't go just in the emotions. Just go and do it very clear, so as you can earn a big amount of money. But you have to know where to start in, and you have to know where to stop. So when the trading line, this you have to follow on this trading line is this one. This is the trading line. So you have to check this one how it's doing. This is RSI strategy. RSI strategy. So as you can see, this way it's going. How to deposit? Let's look. Let us take a tour. We take a tour. Here the profile. Okay.